Hi everyone! In this video, I'd like to introduce you how to make a figure of fighter jet with cat's cradle string loop. It's super easy. If you don't have a cat's cradle string loop, please watch my tutorial video of how to make a cat's cradle string loop. Its link is in the description box below. Let's get started! First, stretch out the string loop like this and put the string loop in between left hand thumb and pointer like this, and bring out this much of string loop in front of the thumb. You can see the back one is longer. With your right hand middle finger, ring finger, and pinky, hold the long one like this, and with holding there, bring right hand pointer and thumb to the short side and put the both fingers into the loop. Now if you pull the thumb and pointer, you see a triangle and two strings in the middle. And with both right hand thumb and pointer, open the two strings in the middle and stretch out. And after that, you kind of adjust it. Ta-da! It's a fighter jet. It's very simple and quick. Now let's try one more time. First, stretch out the string loop and one end fold in front, and there is a shorter side and longer side, and hold the longer side with 3 fingers of right hand, and with the pointer and thumb bring into the shorter loop and make a triangle, and then with both pointer and thumb again open the 2 strings in the middle and fighter jet. It's very easy, but it looks very cool. I hope you try this fighter jet. Thank you for watching.